Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best adjustable DC power supply on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the NicePower BDA60 adjustable DC power supply and why it's perfect for precise testing. Let's get started. Product features. High precision voltage and current. Offers accurate voltage and current readings, ensuring reliable measurements for critical testing, electronics development, and sensitive lab applications. Dual channel output. 2 independent channels allow separate control of voltage and current, perfect for powering multiple devices or circuits simultaneously without interference. Series parallel functionality. Switch effortlessly between series and parallel modes to achieve precise voltage or current outputs, providing versatile power configurations for any project. 3 output modes. Independent, series, and parallel output modes offer flexibility, making it suitable for both simple experiments and complex testing requirements. Multiple protection features. Built-in overcurrent protection and overvoltage protection safeguard both the power supply and connected devices for safe, worry-free operation. Versatile applications. Ideal for engineers, lab technicians, hobbyists, and electronics enthusiasts, supporting testing, circuit development, DIY projects, and professional setups. Pros: high precision voltage and current, dual channel flexibility, series parallel mode, multiple safety protections, versatile applications, easy to use interface, and reliable performance. Cons: slightly larger footprint may require desk space, and advanced features may take some time for beginners to fully master. Final thoughts. The NicePower BDA60 adjustable DC power supply is a versatile, reliable, and precise tool for engineers, lab professionals, and electronics enthusiasts. It combines advanced functionality with robust safety for confident testing. Power up your projects safely and efficiently. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more incredible tech content.